Hi, Charmaine from Smarter Selling. So today's topic is, what is consultative selling? So consultative selling means that you have gone in as a consultant. The idea is that you're standing in your client's shoes, looking at what they're looking at, hearing what they're hearing. You can see their challenges, you can see their customers, they've got customers, their team, where their pain points are. The idea is you're a consultant that's standing or sitting beside them, empathising and understanding their business. What is it? It's selling. In selling is exactly the same. So a consultative sale is really just a really good sale. It should be all about the client and not about you. How do you make it all about the client? You get the client to talk and you observe. So on our courses we teach how to ask intelligent questions, how to observe what the client's doing, how to check, and then how to perfectly align with the client. Price never comes into it. You've aligned perfectly. That's what a consultative sell is. If you'd like to learn more about how to do a consultative sell for you or your team, then just contact us below. If you want more tips on how to grow your business fast and all different types of selling techniques, then subscribe below. I'm Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Until next time.